Hello. QuickerSite 3.2 is the new version released today, and the main new elements or the main new feature relates to Artist Tier 4 templates. So I'm going to show you how to deal with Artist Tier 4 templates. So whenever you start up a new project and you start clicking the Suggest Design button over here, which I'm going to do a couple of times until I find something useful. Not bad, this one. I'm going to take the next one. Okay, I'm going to take this one. No, I'm going to take the previous one because it has both vertical and horizontal menu. Okay, this one is a nice one. So you need to do a couple of things, or I always do a couple of things. First of all, in the Content tab, I make sure to set no border for images. I don't need that in general. And for the tables as well, I say no border. This is to keep some of the QuickerSite modules working properly. Okay. So these two things on the Content tab: image no border and table no border. One other thing I always do, and you should do at all points or at all times, is make sure that under the vertical menu tab, under the levels, select the expand on click option here rather than the expand with reload. It makes more sense in general to expand on click, so without forcing the page to reload, to open up the sub items. So this is good. Expand on click. Gosh. Finally, and this is obviously both exciting and both annoying for us, the Artist Tier templates do no longer ship with a fixed content or a fixed body setup in a way. So when selecting one of the things here in the body setup, you will notice that you have a new set of options here. And what I usually do at this point, you can actually do it otherwise, but I set it to one column. Okay. So this is it. I have a search form. I have a vertical menu. I have a horizontal menu. I'm going to export this one, and you can do through the file menu, export to a website template. Okay, this is important. I'm going to use this one demo, and I'm going to zip it to my desktop. Yeah, that's important. So zip it. You need to use the zip archive option at this point and export it, and that's it. So in QuickerSite, you will have the option to upload a zip template from the setup menu, which I'm about to do now. So I'm gonna pick my demo.zip. I say upload at this point. I click continue at this point and continue again. And after that, I will have a new entry in my template list named demo. I can preview this site at this point, but you will notice that things are not quite ready yet. So the menus are still the menus from the Artist Tier zip file. So in order to prepare this template for QuickerSite, you need to add a couple of dynamic tags that will make sure you can actually use it. So I added a common variables little on-site help here. So the first thing I'm going to do is enable the horizontal menu, Artist Tier 4 only, you see. So I'm going to enable the horizontal menu, and you can find that one by isolating the H menu property of the UL element here. I'm going to take it, I'm going to replace it. Okay. I will do the same for the vertical menu. So there again, vertical menu. I'm gonna copy it, and you can isolate the vertical menu by isolating the V menu property here, and that is the vertical menu, and I'm just gonna replace it with the one I need. Next step would be to go search for my page title. I know it's called home, so if you have a look again, this is what I'm going to use as my page title. So I can search this pretty quickly from within my Chrome browser. So home, this is good. I'm going to replace it with page title. Okay. Finally, I'm going to replace all that text, all that default text, with the text I need, and this is the main content for a page. This is the most important variable in a way, because this is where you will have your page content. And in this case, you have to look very closely, look very good, because this is where it actually happens. This is where it has to get replaced. Okay, this is the content part that I want to replace with the content of a QuickerSite homepage or QuickerSite web page. Apart from those, you have some other options that I'm going to leave that up to you. The last thing I want to show you though is you can reuse the search form. You will notice that at some point Artisteer adds a new search form, but you can get rid of that one and just replace it with the one from here. So the common variables. This is the search form that I simply copy pasted. Okay. When I now preview this website, you will notice that the full QuickerSite demo site now is functional and works on a new Artisteer 4 generated template. Be aware that when you click modules, you have the expand on click module rather than the expand on reload. This is very important, and you will notice that all modules simply keep on working. The search form keeps on working pretty well. So there we are. So basically, importing a template this way is going to take you some more time than you were used to when dealing with ASP.NET exported zip files. All the other elements in your template, so you will see that you have blocks, enter content here. I'm gonna leave that up to you what you would like to do with them. If you would like to replace those with constants, scripts, feeds, or whatever you can imagine to use. Okay, so this is how QuickerSite 3.2 will deal with Artisteer templates. For now, hope you like that and enjoy QuickerSite.